So I opened multiple trades today. If we don't have a correction here, I'm gonna shoot myself because, well, not literally, but I opened the sell here, but I thought it was okay with the RSI on H1, break obstructor on MACD, then another one here because of this resistance, more support resistance level, but I didn't like it because of the wick, so probably this one is my mistake. And now here another one again. Hopefully we're gonna have the break. We are having the break on the MACD here, so let's see if we could have the movement to the downside, because the price is being crazy. We're gonna see it later on. Okay. Well, EURUSD break obstructed here, not relevant really. So oil, as I was saying, I didn't like this high, and we are taking it right now. It looks like we could have a sell from here, and yeah, it looks really nice to have a sell and maybe take these levels down here. Okay. Gold right now bouncing off here. I opened a sell more or less here. My stop loss, I don't remember it, but I'm targeting this. So I placed break-even already, and I'm waiting for this movement to happen probably. The Nasdaq. Okay, so I finally have my back testing. I have 437 trades, I think, more or less, during the period of from January 1st to July 31, and it is profitable. It is profitable. I am optimizing it. I'm asking for AIs to optimize it and look for the best of it. Maybe I need more data because it's 437 trades during a period. It's, well, as you can see, it's from here to here more or less, which is nice because we had ranging downside, upside like crazy. I expected much better trades here, and we didn't have it. Range again, downside. So I think it takes most of the price action that we could have. And as I trade buys and sells, I don't really care. But yeah, I think it's a pretty nice beta test, and well, it's profitable. It's 437 trades, ATR, with lots of, well, 91 break evens, I think, which is 0R, which is something that I'm trying to optimize, and maybe close 50% at 1.5 R. So my trades, if I hit break even, will finish with 0.75 R, and at least, yeah, and at least I have something, and the runners are not that much. So yeah, I think it's gonna be better. Probably I'm gonna only trade going in favor with the H4 tendency. So for example, if we have, well, here we had really nice trades, I think, I don't remember, but if we have a break obstructor here, I'm only gonna look for buys in this case. Okay. Same here. If we have a breakdown, I'm gonna only look for sells. Then I think the stop loss ticks. It affects too if it's lower than 90 in this case, which is, it would be more or less not the same. 9 pips on the EURUSD, it's not the same, but it's easier to understand. So here 90 points is, I'm gonna show you what I mean. So for example, if I open this trade here, I place 3 points more, and here you see 53.9, which it would be 5.39 pips, more or less, for you to understand it, okay? So yeah, and my TP would be here. So with the optimization, we would close 50% at 1.5, 50% here, and then the runner. So if I do the quick math, it would be 0.75 R. Well, I mean, yeah, it's 2.19 divided by 2, so 1.095 R plus 0.75. It would be this trade. It would be 1.845 R. So, and I'm protected. I have RR if the price reverses. If we are here and the price reverses and it goes directly to break even, which happens a lot, really, because we don't have a confirmation to get out of it. Yeah, we have at least something. Okay, so let's see the market. The market's falling as we expected. Russell falling here after taking the liquidity on the daily chart. Nasdaq the same. S&P 500 falling. The trade is going really nice. Expecting this going down here, as well as Microsoft. That I don't know if it's falling. Not applicable. Oh, okay. Yeah. So well, yeah, not that much, but yeah, it's falling. I think I didn't place the break even because I was going with small amount of money. Bitcoin right now touching this resistance to the peak, so we are having this reaction here, and it would be lovely to have this here, more or less something like this. Okay, I would like to see something like this. At least this correction here. We have lots of liquidity down here, but we had a strong move, and I don't really expect the price going down here if the macro is not that factor. Okay, but we will see. I don't know. I really don't know. Ethereum reacting to the EMAs, really nice. I love Ethereum, and maybe we expect a bounce here or this liquidity being taken here on my break-even point. Hopefully not, but it could be. Hype breaking this liquidity here again. Looking really strong. 74. I'm not selling yet. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to sell. Maybe I use the Fibonacci or whatever, because okay, I don't know how to use this shit really, because this is to the up. So fuck me. I don't really use Fibo, but we could have some targets here. Well, 160, hopefully. Hopefully we'll reach those levels, but yeah, with no price action to the left, I'm not sure where to close here. So yeah, Solana 2% up, trying to break the 300 period EMA. ENA up 21.33%. I'm so fucking happy. Finally, let's see if we break this and I buy a little bit more, because well, yeah. Link reacting here, not going up really today, so well, that's okay. XRP 30% up. We arrived to 20 something percent, which is really, really nice. ARM is going up to like crazy, 20%. And pump, I sold all my pump here because I think the run is really, really big. This is the eco price, so yeah, I'm just wanna wait and see if we have some re-entries. And well, I see no movements. Phantom falling, both Phantom, oh my god. Pepe up 11%. Dual defeat Phantom, well, not really relevant. My god. Yeah. So, well, I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.